Come on. Ah! Fire! What's good, YouTube? You know what it is? It's Crimson, and we are playing Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. Basically, I finished the game, but I'm using this last clip as an intro, so don't come after me. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you comment on whatever. Be respectful, but yeah, let's get into it, bro. I've been waiting.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
Oh,
I kept my mind off everything.
I like the animation, bro. I love it, bro.
Pain, even for a second.
Marvin or Melvin, whatever the hell his name is.
This time, it can be different. It has to.
Leon! It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident as unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. He distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent. He is asked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he will find here. Oh my God! Hold on, I can't, bro. I can't. Hold on. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's so freaking, bro! I love it. Look at it. L3 or R1 to run.
How far could he have gone?
I don't want about too much. Ooh. That's something for breakfast. Oh, this looks so different from when and the original looks so freaking different. Yeah. How y'all doing?
Anyone home?
Hello? What's that say? I don't know what the hell that say. I wanted a key.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. ¿Vino aquí?
Dude, Leon looks so fire. Oh! Oh my God! He got it with the knife! Oh shit! Ain't no fucking way, dude.
This is not good.
Oh my god, this is so different. You could actually explore into his house. We didn't ever do this. Dude. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Dude.
Hey.
He's dead. He's dead. That man is... Yeah.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
You tell me. Escape.
What was that?
Hello? Hello?
No fucking way.
Oh! Oh! Back up! Back up! Back up! Whoa! Whoa! I kept my knife? Bob! Got no ammo?
It's getting worse.
Oh my god, that's fire! Fuck? No ammo? Escape. Do I go up here? Yeah, I do go up here, okay. Who that is?
Bruce. This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Hunnigan!
Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
What the hell?
Gotta go.
They're coming through!
I'll let myself out.
Oh! Oh! Nigga better than Batman! Got no problem, bro. Got no problems with homie, bro. You gotta head for the lake, bro. Blood trails coming through. Bro, I've been waiting for this game when they dropped Resident Evil 3, and I knew they was making another remake. I knew it, bro. Ooh. I hear something. Guarded gunpowder. No, I can't save. No, I want to see what the song is. Fuck. Damn, I can't see shit. just looks. What the fuck? Are they in the bushes or some shit? Bro, I can crouch, dude. Ammo in here? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We need all the ammo we can get. Save my bullets. Save my bullets. And Herb. Oh, pestas! Oh, pestas! What's good, homie? Bob! Bob! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, my bad! Come on! Leap! No. Bro! No! Oh my. Oh, you good? I remember this one. Boy! Let me get that. Let me get that meat! Let me get that meat! Give me that pestas! Give me those pestas! Flash grenade. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Do they have it? If I go to the village, will they? Oh my god, yes. Will they make that sound? Hold on. Oh, he's still alive when this happened. He wasn't even alive in the original. Will he make that sound again? You know what? Hey. What's good, homie? Me!
Here we go.
Fight them off. Bet, bet. Come on, y'all. What's good? What's good? Melee! Give me those pestas! What's good, homie? Bob! Come on! Come on! Me! Give me that gunpowder! Me! Bitch! Pitchfork! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! You're gonna die! You're gonna die! Oh shit! They throw shit at me! We gotta get in. We gotta get somewhere in. We gotta go somewhere in. Oh fuck! 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 Oh, a herb! Oh, this is fire! This is fire! I don't care. Use. Alright, come on. Bop! Bop! Me! What's good? A chicken? What's good? Mink! 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 Bitch! No! Oh, they just putting down bear traps and shit. What's this? Oh shit! Move out the way, nigga. Move out the way. This nigga really throwing shit at me. Oh! Back up! Come on! Link! 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 Where he at? Cross up! Cross up! Cross up! Oh my God! What's good, homie? Oh my. Oh, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh shit! There's two different cutscenes for him coming out? We go thirst here. Mink! Come on! Take! Reload! Oh, that's fucking fire! Back up! Can we jump out the window? Shotgun? Where's the shotgun? Oh shit! We gonna find a shotgun. That's what we gonna do. Come on, you Batman! We need to find that shotgun. Come on, Mink! 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 Oh fuck! Heal up! Oh, me and you! Oh no! Come on! Mink! Nope, not today! Not today! Not today! Mink! Fuck. Me! Oh my god, I need bullets. Fuck it, I need a shotgun. Bitch! Link! Where is shotgun? Where's the shotty? Oh. Dodge. Nope, fuck. Climb up! Climb up! Fuck! No! Ming! Come here! Come here! Ming! Thank God there was a window over there. Oh yeah.
La campana.
But no.
Nos invoca.
They got them Abraham Lincolns.
Que servir.
They crip walker too. They don't even care about him.
Sadler Todopoderoso.
I wish they looked at him and then just kept on going. They locked the door. Dude.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Ha ha! Ah! Resident Evil 4, baby! I must do the one where I have to clash with the chainsaw. I'm gonna stab your bitch ass. Mink, 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 mink. If I stab you, what's good, nigga? Mink. Run up on me. Use. Girl walked up on me. Oh, shotty, shotty. Let's go.
Nice.
We got shotty. We got shotty. Grenade. Bing. Money off.
Present for you.
Oh my God. Fuck. Damn. He got combos.
There you go.
Come on. Ah! Fire! Me! But hope you guys stay safe, stay hydrated, and as always, be breezy.